A devastating fire ripped through the Nalua Bazar area of Belonia last night on Friday, completely destroying the shop belonging to local businessman Sukanta Poddar. The incident, which occurred late on Friday night, resulted in massive property loss for the merchant and has raised serious concerns among other traders in the bustling marketplace. Authorities from the Belonia Police Station and the Fire Services Department have initiated an investigation to ascertain the exact cause of the fire. While the possibility of an electrical short circuit is being considered, a thorough probe will be conducted to rule out any other possibilities. The incident has prompted the local business community to demand better fire safety measures and quicker response infrastructure in the busy Nalua Bazar area. Reporter Bikram from Sukanta Poddar, Chini Khorang.